Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jana Tungo. If you're new here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. We're going to start by prepping our hair. So for the braids that we're going to use for today is by LUSH, and I have color 1 and color 27. We are going to highlight our color number 1, okay? And as you can see, the black extension is more than the blonde one. So we're just going to have some highlights here and there. I didn't want the color number 27 to shout so much, so that is why I just took just a little bit of it, okay? But it will all depend with how you want it to be. If you want it more honey, you can just go for it, okay? Once you're done with the mixing the hair, I'll just go ahead and take my comb and just comb it out just to make sure that I will get rid of the flyaways. And then the next step is curling the hair. So we're going to be using the normal straws to get our curls. So what I'll do, I'll just take my extension, okay, and I'm going to wrap it onto the straw just so you can see me doing, and then I'm going to twist and turn like exactly what I'm doing, guys. Very simple, very easy. Anyone can literally do this hairstyle. I haven't even mentioned how affordable again this hairstyle is. So I only use 3 packs of this braid extension. So 2 packs of color black and 1 pack of blonde. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just finishing up on wrapping the hair around the straw. Okay, so once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and grab my elastic rubber band, and I'm going to secure the hair just like so that it doesn't unravel or anything of sort. So guys, this is how the hair looks like. So once I'm done with the wrapping, and the next step is curling the hair. So I'm going to grab my my bucket, and I'm going to add in some leave-in conditioner, and then the next step is to add in hot water, okay? So once that is done, I'll just take my hair that I've wrapped around the straw, and I'm going to place them in the hot water just like you can see me doing. And this is me just removing the hair once it is dry. So I left it dry for about 2 days. So this is how the hair looks like once it is nice and dry. So I'll just go ahead and run my fingers through the hair just to detangle it and stuff like that. And then once I'm done with detangling the hair, just split the hair into 4 sections, okay, just like so. And this is how our hair looks like. So guys, before I install the hair, I'll just go ahead and grab my oil, and I'm going to oil my scalp just to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized under this protective hairstyle. Okay, so after oiling my scalp, I'll just go over and massage my hair just a little bit just to make sure that the oil penetrates through my scalp. And now the next step, the fun part of this hairstyle, is installing the hair. And guys, as you have seen, my braiding pattern is pretty much simple, like anyone can literally do it, okay? So these are just some basic simple cornrows going all the way to the very back. Nothing dramatic, nothing that it is hard for you to follow. So yeah, let's now install the hair. So all you need to have is your crochet pin or your crochet hook, okay? So I'm going to explain to you how I install this hair. So I'm going to start by grabbing my crochet hook, and I'm going to pass it through my cornrow just like you can see in the video, and then I'll just go ahead and take my extension, and I'm going to attach it on the hook, then pull the hair through, and then I'm going to secure it 2 times, okay? So I'm going to show you again. So what you'll need to do is just passing your crochet needle through the hair just like you can see in the video, and then once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and attach my braid extension, pull it through, and I'm going to secure it 2 times just like you can see in the video. Like, this is very easy, and anyone can literally do this hairstyle. And I love the fact that it is also very affordable, so you don't have to complain if you don't have any crochet hair. So this is your to-go-to hairstyle anytime you feel like you want to put on some crochet hair. And what I can say about this hair is that it can last you for about 2 weeks. So that is how much I had it in. I mean, it is synthetic hair, so you don't expect to have this hairstyle for, I don't know, 1 month or 2 months. So I feel like at most 3 weeks is okay, because it will start getting frizzy and you don't want that. So I feel like at 2 to 3 weeks is just Okay, and by the way, if you enjoy watching hair tutorials, be sure to subscribe for this and many more hair videos. Okay, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, to share it to your friends and family, or anyone you feel like this video is going to be a help to them. So please, you can always share this video. Don't forget to like, and also you can leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you have any question, please drop them in the comment section down below. I will attend to all your questions or your concerns. So in the meantime, enjoy the video.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby,
And by the way, guys, I hope you have noticed, so when we reach the front section part of our hair, so instead of grabbing both strands of the braid extension, I'll only take one strand, okay? Because again, we want to, kind of hide the knots, and we don't want again the hair to look so bulky at the front section of our hair. And now that we are done installing the hair, I'll just go ahead and grab my pair of scissors and just trim off the excess hair that we might be having here and there. And that was it, guys, for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. This is the finished look and I'm loving this hair. So thank you all so much for keeping me company. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now and take care.